In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a thread in Perplexity AI. If you've been experimenting, asking lots of questions, or simply want to tidy up your workspace, removing an old conversation can help keep things organized and private. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. First, open the Perplexity website in your browser. You can use any modern browser on desktop or mobile. Give the page a moment to load. If you use Perplexity with an account, remember that your saved threads live under that account, so make sure you're viewing the correct profile. This ensures you'll see the conversations you actually want to manage. Next, if you no longer want to see a conversation in your history, click the History option. On desktop, you'll typically find History in the left-hand sidebar. On a smaller screen, it may appear in a menu icon. Tap to expand and look for History there. Clicking History opens a panel or page that lists all the threads you've created, usually showing the title or a snippet of your question, along with the date and time. Take a moment to scan the list so you can identify the exact thread you're looking to remove. Once you've located the thread you want to delete, look for the three dots next to it. These three dots are the More or Options menu. Clicking the three dots reveals a small menu with actions you can take on that specific thread. Choose Delete. When you click Delete, you'll typically be asked to confirm your choice. This step helps prevent accidental removals. Confirm that you want to proceed and the thread will be removed from your history. Keep in mind, deleting a thread is intended to be permanent for that conversation in your account's history. If you think you might need the information later, consider noting key insights elsewhere before you remove it. Also, deleting a single thread won't affect any of your other conversations. Only the one you selected will be removed. To recap, open the Perplexity website, click History to view your saved threads, find the conversation you want gone, click the three-dot menu and select Delete. Confirm when prompted and the thread disappears from your history. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can keep your Perplexity space clean and focused on what matters most to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your threads more effectively.